Welcome students in online classes of science arranged by your school Little Flowers School Madhupuram Basti. Students, today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic given in your chapter 1, that is crop production. Anyone has any guess regarding this topic? Yes, of course, about nitrogen cycle. Students, as you know, nitrogen is present in abundant in our atmosphere. About 78% of our atmosphere is made up of nitrogen gas. This nitrogen is in molecular form, N2, N2 form, and unluckily any living animal or living plant is not able to absorb nitrogen, is not able to take nitrogen from atmosphere in molecular form. Okay, so how the need of nitrogen of any plant or any animal is completed? In actual, students, there is a natural biogeochemical cycle which is continuously going on in our environment. There are various cycles which are present. I think all of you have heard the name of oxygen cycle, water cycle, and like that nitrogen cycle is also very important cycle. बहुत कायदे से आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, इसको समझ लीजिए खूब ढंग से. Nitrogen cycle, as I drawn on this whiteboard, listen very carefully. This is diagram, this is schematic representation of nitrogen cycle of atmosphere. Nitrogen cycle is also known as biogeochemical cycle. It is biogeochemical cycle. ये अपने आप चलती है, इसको कोई चलाता नहीं है. आप या हम इसको नहीं चलाते, अपने आप होने वाली साइकिल है. Clear? Now, this is a tree. Back portion, this below portion is soil. This all soil. Clear? This is our atmosphere where air is present. This is tree which represent all plants present upon the surface of the earth. Here grasses are also present, although I have not drawn. Here grasses are also present. Now chew and cud animal, many chew and cud animals present here. What happens when any chew and cud animal eat grass? Then cow dung of that chew and cud animal goes into the soil, where this is dung, हमने dung यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. Cow dung goes into the soil, where a special type of bacteria are present, which changes this cow dung into what? Into organic material, which is known as compost. कंपोस्ट कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं मालूम है आपको? काउ डंग से, एनिमल और प्लांट के डेड पार्ट से, यानी कि कोई ट्विग अगर टूट गई, ट्विग का मतलब जानते हैं आप लोग, छोटी सी टहनी, छोटी सी ब्रांच अक्सर टूट जाती है किसी भी ट्री से, किसी भी प्लांट से, तो वो जो ड्राइड लीव्स हैं उसकी, वो ड्राइड लीव्स प्लस डंग प्लस एनी डेड एनिमल लाइक एनी इंसेक्ट, suppose cockroach, suppose lizard, suppose housefly, these all goes ultimately into the soil, where some special kind of bacteria are present. These bacteria changes that organic matter into what? Into compost. This is known as compost or manure. They changes it into manure. Okay. Now, green plants used to take nitrogen from the soil. फिर soil में और कहाँ से nitrogen आ रही है? As I drawn here, atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen in N2 form. Clear? Sometimes when lightning occurs, lightning is a natural phenomena, all of you know. When lightning occurs, then through lightning, some part of that atmospheric nitrogen goes into the soil. क्योंकि जब कभी भी लाइटनिंग होती है तो वो कहीं ना कहीं गिरती है बच्चों। ये मत समझिएगा कि जब बिजली चमकती है तो आसमान से ही ख़त्म हो जाती है। वो सॉइल पे, ज़मीन पे कहीं ना कहीं गिरती है वो बिजली, और जब वो गिरती है तो एटमॉस्फेयर के 78% नाइट्रोजन का कुछ पोर्शन लेके आती है, सॉइल को पहुंचाती है। ओके, नाउ by this mode also some nitrogen goes into the soil on, and next mode is weak nitric acid rain. I think all of you heard the name of acid rain. Acid rain, do you know? Due to acid rain, Taj Mahal become yellowish in color. You know Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. The color of that white marble become yellowish, become blackish. Why? Due to acid rain at Agra. ठीक है? In that acid rain, very weak nitric acid combines with rainwater and falls on white marble. That white marble react with acid, and the color of that white marble become yellowish or blackish. Okay? So when acid rain occurs, dilute sulfuric acid, dilute nitric acid comes to the ground. Again nitrogen goes into the soil, luckily. Now in atmosphere, that nitrogen goes into the soil. Now after that, I have written here some bacteria are present here which are known as nitrification bacteria. Example of nitrification bacteria is Azotobacter, nitrogen fixation bacteria. All these are nitrogen fixation bacteria. So when this nitrogen goes into the soil, and these are, in this way, the cow dung or the dead remains of plants and animals changes into manure, and this manure ultimately, on this manure, these nitrification bacteria act and convert them into NO2 or NO3. We or any plant is able to take nitrogen only in form of NO2 and NO3, not in any other form. These are ions. In next classes we will study about ions. What are ions? In senior classes you will study about this. Now what happens? These bacteria used to change that manure, that nitrogen, into NO2 or NO3, and plant absorb this nitrogen in NO2 and NO3 form from soil. Again dry leaves, cow dung goes into the soil. This cycle continues into our atmosphere. सबकी समझ में आ गया नाइट्रोजन साइकिल? ओके, इसी का हमने फ्लो चार्ट बनाने के लिए दिया है होमवर्क में, जरूर बनाइएगा। और डायग्राम आप लोग कलर्ड बनाया करिए ना, क्या जरूरत है? ऐसी पेंसिल से आप लोग ड्रॉ कर देते हैं कि हमको ऐसे करके जूम करके देखना पड़ता है कहाँ गया डायग्राम। नहीं बच्चों, बढ़िया कलर्ड पेंसिल, आप कलर यूज़ करिए, आप स्केच यूज़ करिए। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट नाइट्रोजन साइकिल विच इज कंटिन्यूअसली गोइंग ऑन in the environment. This nitrogen cycle is known as biogeochemical cycle, and especially for the preparation of proteins, plant need nitrogen from soil. Okay, because protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Whereas carbohydrate or glucose is made up of only carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen is not needed in manufacturing of protein, in manufacturing of carbohydrate or starch or glucose. Nitrogen is not needed. So students, I think all of you well understood about this nitrogen cycle. which is a type of biogeochemical cycle continuously going on in our environment. Okay, so revise whatever we have studied today. It's very important topic in this chapter, crop production. We will meet again in next online class. Thank you, students. Thank you, class here. Thank you.